Let's learn how to add text to a slide when there's no text box. So right here it asks you to type your name below this text box here, but there's nothing that we can click on to start typing. So we need to insert a text box. So if we go up here, right next to our cursor, there is this symbol. It's a T inside of a box. If you click that, you can then click and drag where you want your text box to be, and then you can type your name. Also, another way to add a text box is to go up here to Insert, and then you can click on Text Box and do the same thing, click and drag. And then you just type in your name.